that awkward moment when your stomach suddenly lets out a loud growl, especially in a quiet room? That sound actually has a scientific name, borborygmi. It might feel embarrassing, but it's a totally normal part of how your body works. Borborygmi happens when the muscles in your digestive tract contract and push food, gas, and fluids through your intestines. These muscle contractions are called peristalsis, and they're happening all the time, even when you're not hungry. But when your stomach is empty, there's less food to absorb the sound, so those gurgles and rumbles become much louder and more noticeable. That's why you often hear them most when you haven't eaten in a while. Your brain actually plays a role too. When it senses you're low on fuel, it sends signals to your digestive system to get moving, which can make those noises even more pronounced. It's your body's way of saying, "Hey, it's time to eat." So next time your stomach growls, don't be embarrassed. It's a sign your digestive system is healthy and working as it should. Plus, it can be a funny reminder that you're ready for your next meal. Want to learn more weird and wonderful facts about your body? Make sure to follow for more cool science tidbits.